Greetings and thanks for your interest in the Glow Up experience. It's one of my favorite things to do is to take people on retreat. It's where I've had my greatest exploration of my interior self and also where I've experienced my fastest and biggest explosive awarenesses, epiphanies. I call them epiphanical moments of transforming myself and my life so that I can transform my experience of everything my life was bringing to me, that my life was offering me. And I'm Dr. Valerie Renee Shepard. I'm your host, the lead facilitator for the Glow Up experience. And this is my continued fervent prayer that you will make the decision to serve yourself by joining us. And just in case you're at that point where you're like, oh, I could just use one more reason, or I'm just trying to figure out if this is right for me right now, here are my top 5 considerations for you to feel into, for you to let roll around in your system for a little bit and see if something opens up for you, if something resonates at a beautiful and deep level. So here we are. Number 5. Number 5 reason. This is a really good one. You've never visited the south of France. And the Glow Up experience is offering you a divine opportunity to refresh your mind, your body, your spirit in a spiritually rich and naturally beautiful environment. And the Yobaba Lounge sits beautifully in this environment and creates an inner container for that outer beauty that co-creates, mixes together, and is going to be a lovely place, a lovely way for you to go deeper, go higher, maybe than you've ever gone before. Refresh, renew, revitalize, recommit. The grapevines, the rolling green hills, the fresh air, the slower pace, and one of my personal favorites, the Mediterranean Sea, is calling you. All of these reasons are perfect ones to consider because they are the backdrop for the Glow Up experience. Number 4, you're curious. You're wondering, is what I'm experiencing the best, the highest, all there is? My life is creating lots of things for me. And is this, it's like, maybe you're in a little bit of the COVID hangover and you're wondering, what more is possible in all aspects of your life? What more is possible? And you're hungry to take your relationships, your business, your health and vitality, and yes, your fun, your joy, and your bliss to a whole new level. You're actually wondering, how high is high? How big is this jump I could make to this whole new level? And curiosity is a beautiful calling to explore with this retreat. Number 3, top 5 reasons. This is number 3. You are committed to self-awareness, self-acceptance, and self-love. Those are my 3 pillars for self-mastery. Like self-mastery has to have all 3 integrating and flowing together, and you want to go all the way. You love lifelong learning, and you've seen what you can do when you activate your personal responsibility to take yourself to new heights. And you're ready. In fact, you're raring to go. Number 2, you'd like to renew your spiritual connections. You want to activate a deeper level of knowing right now And you are the only one who can truly free yourself into that consistent high vibration, that consistent integration of your human self with your spiritual superhuman self to create a wholeness of you, divine masculine and divine feminine, upper level knowing and earthly level action. You want to combine this all into the highest you can be, and that your spiritual self is flourishing even while you're walking in your earth suit at this time and counting 2023, wanting to know the highest level of you there is. And your number one reason that this might be right for you is your life is great. But for some reason, a beautiful reason potentially, you're still feeling a little bit unfulfilled, not satisfied. You feel a little, I don't know, it may be restlessness. It may be just a quiet and deep calling to discover new levels of who you truly are and what you really came here to be and to do, and how you are here to contribute and what that is. You know it's time for exploration and expansion. You know the glow up experience is going to shepherd you into that space. And you're ready. And you're ready. You're ready. So here's what to do next. If one or all five of these or somewhere in between kind of tickled your fancy, made you kind of go, wow, I think I want to do this. I don't know. Come on in and give us a call. Please feel into these reasons. And when you're ready to chat, we'd love to help you. We'd love to hear what are the things that are slowing you down or holding you back. And we'll tell you honestly, we don't want you there if it's not the right time, if it's not the right collection of activities and exploration and endeavors to take you to the next level. That doesn't serve me as a servant to have people there who maybe aren't ready. It doesn't serve you to be there when you're not ready. So by having a quick conversation, we can help you see what more is possible, and we can complete the qualification process. Yes, yes, yes. We can get you to the place where that's what you want to say if it's right for you. And here's important information. We have limited this experience to only 10 people, and spots are starting to fill. So this is not about making you have FOMO. I don't want people coming because they're afraid to miss out. I'm just being real with the idea that if you want to come, it's about time to make up your mind. And we're looking for this perfect alignment of souls. Not that you're all at the same place at the same time, thinking the same way. That's not what I mean by perfectly aligned. But that, you know how there's this perfection in the universe when the right people show up and all of a sudden you're like, wow, they're talking about the same thing. And she went through what I'm going through. And all of this stuff is just looks like it's magically orchestrated and comes together beautifully for your highest good. And that's what we're committed to creating, this container where beauty and magic have been sort of built in by the heavens. And what that means is we all spiral up together, faster, deeper, more beautifully. So this container is about perfectly aligned souls so that we can ensure collective expansion in the same 7 days through the same collection of activities, tools, facilitators. So, when the student is ready, the teacher appears. This teacher would be you coming to the glow up experience and leveraging what you experience there to teach yourself a new way of being you in your life, expressing your vitality, your love, your compassion, your joy, your bliss, your all is well and life is good. Yes, all is well and life is good. Many blessings. Hope to see you in France real soon. Bye now.